a new department is created by the government of Goa called Atal Gram Development Agency. Its scope is to select villages in Goa and convert it into model villages. Presently, Netravali villages are selected for the purpose. The very first program the Atal Gram Development Agency is going to have in Netravali is Netravali Mohatsav 2016. It's a unique experiment being done by this agency. All stalls will be managed by the locals during the all 3 days of Netravali Mahotsav. Local artisans from Netravali village will display their skills. Locally made food, traditional food, veg and non-veg, will be served by the local mahilas. Progressive agricultural farmers will display their skills, who are the best producers in the field of sugarcane, cashew, pineapples and spices, and will demonstrate their ways and skills to the farmers from the rest of the Goa how to achieve these greater heights. During the 3 days Netravali Mahotsav program, various cultural programs will also be staged. This is a program is going to be inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister at 4 p.m. on 6th May, Friday. The purpose of Netravali Mahotsav is to create a kind of entrepreneurship skills amongst the females. Netravali village has a very unique feature. So the other purpose of the showing everything from Netravali, like there are 12 touristic spots. It has the heritage like monuments there. We call it Pandava's cave, Pandava's temple, Budbudiachi Teli, and other picnic spots, waterfalls, wildlife sanctuary. So my department has made efforts to bring all these picnic spots into one stall called Netravali Darshan.